Voiceover extra equipment. Now, what kind of extra equipment would you possibly need to make money as a working voiceover artist with a home studio? I certainly won't recommend getting extra hardware just for the sake of it. For example, if you have a decent USB interface box, why would you need a separate microphone preamplifier or an interface or a hardware compressor, hardware limiter or an effects box? Now, if you have a working audio studio doing maybe music as well as mastering audio productions there yourself, that's fine. But I wouldn't spend my money on any extra equipment like that, since 99% of the work we'll be doing as voiceovers will be just involving recording stuff and sending simply raw recorded voiceover files to the client where they do any processing at their end. But I can tell you 5 simple, low-tech, inexpensive things that you can buy to make your life much easier and for you to be really efficient. Number 1, a calculator. I get asked to quote for fairly long narration scripts all the time. A word count doesn't really mean anything. I need duration. So with an average of 2.4 words per second, you simply divide the word count by 2.4, divide by 60 to get approximate minutes, or if the answer's over 60 minutes, divide by 60 again to get hours. Then you can work out a quote easier. Yes, you've got a calculator on your phone, but it's far easier just to pick up an old pushy button device. Number 2, a timer. Yes, you've got that on your phone too, but a dedicated timer like this is so handy for quickly timing radio and TV scripts you get sent before going into the booth. You know, you just got it by the kettle, make yourself some tea or coffee or whatever, and you can do the timing while you do the demo in your kitchen. 3, a clipboard. Now you can use a studio whiteboard as well, but I use my clipboard to write down the jobs I get as they come in with the date and also a column to say if the jobs have been invoiced yet. Simples. 4, a double monitor in your booth. This is so you can have scripts at eye level when you want to sit or to perform standing up. If you read off your laptop, simply put a higher shelf in your voice booth. And 5, a headphone amplifier. No matter what model of USB interface you have, the volume output for the headphone socket is never really powerful enough, is it? This rechargeable headphone amp I've got from Amazon will last all day on one charge or just simply plug it into USB all day. It makes it easy to hear your voice lovely and clear and loud in your ears, especially useful for monitoring soft and whispery scripts. I hope you found these tips useful. Have a good day in your booth. For detailed training courses on all things voice and voiceover, please check out voiceovermasterclass.com. There's a free complete voice training and voiceover course you can take right now, and all the best-selling paid courses have free preview chapters so you can see if the courses are right for you before you decide to take them. We have a great value membership scheme too. You can learn how to set up your home studio, use audio editing programs efficiently, greatly boost your voiceover income, learn voice acting and audiobook production, train your voice to be more flexible, deeper and more resonant. And also there are green screen filming, video presentation and editing courses too, all on voiceovermasterclass.com.